Turn on the DJI Smart Controller before the update. Tap the menu icon on the bottom right of the screen. Enter into the System Settings page. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Tap System Update. The system will automatically check for firmware updates. Follow the system instructions to update the firmware. After the update is finished, the DJI Smart Controller will automatically restart. Updating via DJI Assistant 2. Turn off the remote controller. Connect the remote controller with the PC via a USB cable. Turn on the DJI Smart Controller. Launch DJI Assistant 2. Log in with the DJI account, then enter the main interface. Click the DJI Smart Controller icon, and then click the Firmware Update button on the left. Click the Upgrade button shown after the latest firmware. Then click Start Update. DJI Assistant 2 will download and install the firmware and update automatically. After the update is finished, the DJI Smart Controller will automatically restart. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.